Is your Hyundai Elantra's alarm system randomly activating? It's a common issue and usually stems from three main culprits: faulty door ajar sensors, a malfunctioning hood switch, or problems with the body control module, BCM. First, check all doors are firmly closed. Then, inspect the door jambs for dirt or corrosion that might prevent the door ajar sensors from working correctly. Clean if needed. Next, examine the hood switch, typically located under the hood. Ensure it's not damaged or sticking. If these checks don't solve the issue, the BCM might be the problem. Newer Elantras, 2017-2024, may have received over-the-air software updates addressing BCM issues. Confirm your car has the latest version, or visit the dealership for a reflash if a recall exists. Use Hyundai's Connected Care app for BCM monitoring to check for error codes that indicate the root cause. Many alarm problems in your Hyundai Elantra are user-fixable with basic tools and care. Let's explore the most common DIY solutions and BCM reset procedures. For door ajar sensors, try lubricating the door hinges to ensure proper alignment and sensor contact. This simple fix can resolve false triggers caused by misaligned doors. If the hood switch is faulty, replacing it is a straightforward DIY job with a new switch costing around $50. This addresses issues from mechanical wear or damage. A BCM reset can often resolve software glitches. You can attempt a reset by disconnecting the car battery for 10 to 15 minutes, but be aware this will clear all stored memory and may require re-entering radio codes. For more advanced diagnostics, an OBD2 scanner can read BCM codes like B1000 or U1000, helping pinpoint the exact issue and guide your repair. If problems persist or the BCM is significantly malfunctioning, professional service is recommended, especially for BCM reprogramming, to avoid voiding warranties. Be mindful of potential cybersecurity issues and ensure you keep all software on your car up to date.